we on fire?
I think it's down. Good set, good set.
Hey, we own this place. That's funny. I don't have any supplies.
There's a new transmitter tower at Point Idaho. Out. Alpha Main to all stations. Friendly forces are under attack at Point Ohio. Out.
Yo, what happened? Y'all break it?
We got shot by a rocket.
What the fuck, man?
Yeah, I don't have any supplies. Is there a vehicle around? If there's a vehicle, go get some supplies from the command tent. Bring it over here. We can get it flying again.
We can hold this bitch down like fucking Fury. Let's all get on the gunners.
Literally. Black Hawk down, Black Hawk down.
Alpha Main to all stations. We've overrun the forward operating base at Point Wisconsin. Out.
Can you stop shooting?
Alright.
When we go back to, I think it's New York, we'll pull
All
up by the
stations,
supply
this
tent
is
and get some
Alpha Main.
supplies.
The enemy have overrun Point Ohio. Out. All stations, this is Alpha Main.
Oh, that's a
depot
Soviet
for
bird.
light
That's a
vehicles
Soviet
at
bird.
Point Idaho. Out.
Oh yeah, get on the gunner seat.
Anyone need a helicopter pickup? We need supplies. I need a helicopter pickup. Currently, I run with like,